Incident response is the organized response to when a security incident happens. It's saying you're the incident manager. All the information and communication is going to go through you, and you will be the one briefing upper management. And you will be helping me investigate. I need you to go do this, etc. It is the act of writing out an incident report or holding a postmortem. All of those activities around an organized response to a security incident, that is called incident response. And we are going to talk about it during this course.